Just fired some shots at
Hell yeah, bull down.
Day one. How are you feeling now?
Fucking sneezing like crazy, ready to get it.
Sitting in the dark.
What's that?
I was talking to the camera. Tell them what we're doing.
Ready to get it. Starting to bugle.
Well, we heard a bunch of bugles this morning. We were trying to pinpoint it. Right now we're still looking around, seeing what we can find. So hopefully we can turn up some bulls, but they kind of stopped bugling a little bit. So now we're just trying to dig them up and see if we can find some cows moving maybe. So hopefully there's more to come. Still day one.
Hell yeah. Let's do this, man.
Heard some bugles this morning. Jumped a bull.
Jumped up a nice bull. Jumped up a nice buck too. Missed a hunter yesterday. Missed a buck right off this water hole. About 100 yards behind us. So we're gonna go up top of this mountain. Glass the back of this bull. Hopefully they'll light up. How far's the bottom?
We're almost in it.
I say we just keep creeping. I think he's on that knoll. Let's go get his ass.
We're just trying to see what this bull is. Before Mark decides if he's gonna shoot or not. The wind just switched. We need to get him.
Yeah, we'll follow his finger out.
It's kind of swirly. Alright,
Let's do it.
day 2 go?
She got on a bull, but it was not a shooter bull, so we're hoping we find a shooter today.
Day 3.
Day 3.
Rained a little bit last night. Bulls were bugling before bed. So hopefully we can pick back up where those guys left off. Hopefully they're talking.
That's the plan.
We'll find out. I think this is a totally different bull. This one is a little skinnier, but he's got good 1, 2s, 3s, 4s, and a really long main beam. Fucking shoot him, Mark. Alright, Mark just fired some shots at this freaking bull. What a freaking... We spotted him this morning. And it took him a long time to get on him, but they finally found him. Took him a long time to get that opening, to get a shot, and he just cracked him, so... Oh my gosh. Can't tell for sure, but pretty sure that little white spot is a shed. Alright, go ahead. Hold that thing up. That's a good shed.
It's a brown too. I
How far are you away from me? Like 1,200 yards? Jeez. Hold that thing in the air for me.
Where you can't find it?
I'll look for the other side, but damn, that's a good shed.
Well, you need to get your ass over here so we can get this elk fucking quartered up and fuck out of here before the storm hits.
Copy that. Well, look at that. What do you think, Mark?
Hell yeah, bull down. Didn't think I was gonna go archery hunting for this bull, but
Got in a little danger close. Finally made it back to camp. Loading up. Got the coolers in there. Got the bull loaded in the truck. Now it's time to roll out.